And right now we're just off to the market. And I also need more coffee, as you can maybe tell. Hello guys, good afternoon. It's been another lazy day today actually. But that is because we're kind of in preparation for our hike tonight up Ijen to see like the blue flame crater, and then there'll be like a waterfall as well. And like that's kind of happening, well, it's starting to happen at midnight of all times. So I think we hike up at night, see the blue, hello, see the blue blue flames on the way, and then wait around for sunrise, and then coming back down. So that should be cool, that should be good. But yeah, obviously, so today's kind of like a chill out day, so we can kind of just relax a bit. Gonna go do some laundry, and right now, sorry, stopped again. And right now we're just off to the market, and I also need more coffee, as you can maybe tell. Slow days equal bliss being very slow. Huh?
I spent today sewing. I got my sewing kit and I repaired my bag. Yes. And we'll repair Blair's hat. Yes. And just sat on the sun and just really spend some nice relaxing time. That's like really calming sewing for me. So yeah, there can be some like peaceful days as well without much of happening, but this day actually energizes you more for the other ones. So yeah, now we're gonna get some washing done, coffee, maybe juice, and market, and then home and more relaxing time. So bye.
Okay, we're trusting Google. It's brought us here to that sign there. It's very washed out, and it says laundry. So Leah Laundry. I hope there's something down here somewhere. I don't know. Otherwise, we'll have to go back and find another place. Yeah, I found it really interesting. Is it laundry there? Really interesting. Oh gosh, no, can't really. And there's laundry there, but that kind of looks like somebody else, somebody's actual clothes. That could be it, I guess. Yes, like I just said, or was about to say, the thing I found interesting about Google Maps is, yeah, it's not always correct. I think, you know, I guess like pandemic and, you know, various other things, times and things have really moved everybody around quite a lot, you know, so it's a bit hard to tell what is real anymore. Okay, just dropped the laundry off. They got the avocado thing, it looks like, as well. You don't have one? Okay, I've got one. Yeah, just dropped off the laundry. We did find it in the end. It wasn't where Google said. That one is shut down, and it was kind of just around the corner. So I've dropped another pin on Google. Hopefully I can find it tomorrow. It was, they didn't actually say, like 20,000 in total. And I'm thinking that, like last time, it was at least 4 kgs. So that's probably like 5,000 per kg, which is really cheap. So 20,000, it's like £1.80 in total or so. Anyway, I need coffee now, so I'm gonna have a coffee. This looks like real coffee as well, which is really good. Okay, do it. Okay, coffee jottos. Actually got a matcha. I got coffee jottos, like their own original something.
Oh really?
Ooh, gosh.
What's sweet?
It's kind of like a chocolate caramel coffee. But at least it's real coffee, I think. They do have beans there. Sometimes it's a bit hard to tell if you're getting real coffee or not.
Oh, that's
Why? Just because the bottom of it's very sweet. I don't know what that. I think that's chocolate, or it's like it doesn't taste chocolatey. Maybe it's like the brown sugar. This will keep me going for a little bit, but I think I need to get some actual powder, coffee powder, especially for tonight.
to get the powder.
For tonight, yeah.
Oh, nice. Very definitely.
Definitely what? Coffee. There's definitely coffee in the coffee. Good. Okay, I'm gonna drink the coffee now. Oh, how much was it, you say? Only 10,000. Mine was 10,000. And this was also 10,000. So, for the price of...
One in Yogyakarta.
Yeah.
And Bandung as well.
Well, it's like 50p.
No, wait.
50p for coffee.
Or maybe Bandung was 10,000 as well.
Yeah, it depends on where you go.
Yeah.
But like, this is a proper coffee shop, you know? Like, you can get like the instant on the side of the road for like 5,000 or something. But obviously it's just sachet. You know, you're just paying for the hot water.
Yogyakarta are more expensive.
Maybe.
Yeah, I remember local was 20,000. 22. Here's 10.
Okay, I need coffee now, coffee. Okay guys! Coffee done, you can't tell. Got a bit more energy now. I'm looking for a money changer. I mean, we don't need to have one necessarily, but I do. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't need to have one necessarily. Could just be an ATM. But if I can find a money changer, I would like to. Still got British pounds of all things. Not much use here unless I can change them. But then we're kind of on the way to the market anyway, so maybe there'll be something along the way to do something with something. Oh yeah, I should just take in some photos of some stuff. I'm getting to that. And we're going. Yeah. I think we need to get probably some water. No. Do we need water for the trip, or do they give it to us?
They give us.
They give us water.
I'll go take water.
Okay.
Just a small one.
A small one. Okay. Yeah, we've got to start thinking of supplies, I guess, for the journey. Although I think it's only about like an hour and a half of a walk. But yeah, we'll just maybe mentally prepare more for the non-sleeping till 9 AM tomorrow. I really don't understand actually why start at midnight? Doesn't make sense. Hello. Yeah, I don't understand why we start at midnight. For one, like, so I know, so there's the Blue Flame, that's like one of the main reasons you go. The Ijen, because it's one of the only places in the world. Apparently there's one in New Zealand, but I didn't know that. If that's true, let me know down below. But yeah, so the Blue Flame, so you have to see that at night. That I understand. But why don't we just leave it 4 AM? See the flame. I understand also that this is because, so we want to see the sunrise, right? But I would quite happily see the sunset. Someone did say, oh, there's no sunset up there. But I mean, if it's a mountain, you're on the top, you're going to see a sunset and you're going to see a sunrise. I don't know. To me, it doesn't make sense. To me, like, waking up at midnight and being very tired the next day just doesn't make sense. Like, you know, but we're going to do it and it's going to be fun.
Blair is like really excited about the trip and keeps talking about how it should be sunset, not sunrise.
Well, maybe I'll start my own Ijen tour.
So yeah, he probably will
sunset.
start his own.
It'll be a sunset tour. The only Ijen sunset tour.
Yeah. Okay.
Blair's sunset tour would be cool. Yes. Maybe I'll call it Jimmy James and the Blue Flames. Did you know that Jimmy James and the Blue Flames was the original name for the Jimi Hendrix Experience? There you go. Now you know. Look, she was yawning. That's how exciting all this stuff is. Isn't that amazing? You can see down here, and I think this goes all the way to the other side. They've painted like all the way along here. Malang. Maybe that's what he said. I think he said Malang. So it's very similar to the idea of Malang, which actually we skipped just to kind of keep moving a bit faster. Yeah, and in Malang they've painted like all the roofs and the houses, all different colours. And they kind of did it as like a, purely actually for the tourists. Like, I think they did it just as like a, yeah, they were not inspired, inspiration. Yeah, well, they basically did it to like attract tourists to the town because, yeah, they were, I guess, I don't know, not getting many tourists there, or you know, a way to kind of get an influx and a bit of money to the place, which is a really good idea, and it works. Yeah, I do want to go there maybe one day. But you know, that's kind of the literally the next best thing. It reminds me of it. Anyway,
basically it's good to go there for like a whole trip. So maybe we could do one day like a trip there.
To Malang.
To Malang, or like I don't know, another time, sometime.
I just mentioned it because that reminds me of it,
Yeah,
and I'm pretty sure that's what that guy was saying to me.
Yeah.
He's like, Malang, Malang. And I was
If
like,
I wasn't so
okay.
tired, Malang would be great, but like it just feels like need to have a little bit more time to allow rest, movement, travel, going to the mountain. It's a
Well, a bit like this, like
another
what
week,
we've done.
you know, I think. Yeah.
It's a bit like what we've done here, and we wouldn't be able to do it here if we were doing it there as well.
No, it was it's because
Oh,
this.
that guy's running. Never actually seen a jogger. Like, you know, obviously I brought my running shoes with me. There's a guy running there.
But this guy from the mountain group, he said that this one is actually better because it's less tourists.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's the Great Mosque of Banyuwangi behind me.
Should we go to the park
You want to go through here?
or later?
Well, I thought we'd go to the market, right? We'd go to the market first.
They're just stones and
Yeah, there's,
food later.
sure. I mean, this side, yeah, it's just stores, and then the other side is like,
We can walk through.
it is like a really nice place to chill. Looks like very manicured kind of gardens. And yeah, it's right next to the mosque there as well. It's a nice place to kind of chill for a bit. Might do that later after we go to the hecticness of the market. One thing that's strange I find is these. There's quite a few of these around everywhere. Like loads of places with like jewellery and stuff. Don't know why in particular there's a lot of them here. If you know, maybe let me know down below. Okay,
And it's a Polish flag.
to the market. Yes, that is a Polish flag. It's basically the Indonesian and the Polish flag are like upside down of each other. So Asha's been like very excited. It's also for her, it's like, yeah, you're on one side of the world, it's the Polish flag, and then you go on the other side of the world, and it's the Indonesian flag. Yes, maybe I'll do a little animation of that. I think they're slightly different shapes or slightly different colours.
No, this is.
They are slightly different. Okay. Okay, to the market.